Welcome to day 6. This week's costumes are all sibling pairings. They are so easy to create and can be paired with a comfy pair of jeans or shorts and a pair of tennis shoes. First up, this Kit Kat costume. To create these shirts, I use red shirts, white iron-on, a heat press, and cutting machine. I found the image online and uploaded it into my software. I cut out the image, removing the excess material, and split the words into 2. Using my heat press, I added 1 image to each shirt. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.